Well, got all the exhaust valves out. Well, it's dirty like I thought it'd be, but none of the seats are munched. Amazing. It was a black crap, but there's not a single mark on the seats. I mean, they're black. I bet you they'll clean right up if they get them out of the, if they send them off to be cleaned. Well, that took about 25 minutes. All the valves are out. And, yeah, there it is. I still have to get these spring retainers, the bottom ones off. They spin, but they won't come out. I have to get a dental pick. Some of these things are pretty grody though. I can't wait to get this thing cleaned. Valve seals, hook thing. It's not easy to get these babies out. They are coming right out. And they are so completely wasted. These things are nasty. Any more. Well, I got the head back. It's pretty beautiful. It looks pretty much new. Very shiny. Realize now I didn't get the exhaust gaskets out. I got new ones. Still a little bit of crap in the ports, but it's alright, I guess. These all look real nice though. Oh man, yeah, it looks like it's in really good shape. And now you can see how nice the seats are. They didn't scratch the head either, I don't think. Real fine ones in there. I may have done some of that, but there's nothing deep. It looks good. Yeah, this is nice. I'm happy. I'm going to put it back together again. And this is a good example of, I asked the wife to get me a 1-pound tub of Molly grease. Called ahead. They pulled a slip for me on my account. And this is what she came home with. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. How that happened? Those are all the old dead pistons. Dead pistons. So I already put the harmonic balancer in. There it is right there. Put that in last night. Now the key here is there's a mark right here, line right here, and a dot right here, and they all have to line up while you put the starter gear. And you put this on temporarily so that you can line up this line right here and that hole right there. Pretty simple. I gotta get this out so I forget about it and do something stupid, or regardless, it can't be in there, Oop. Yeah, that's not supposed to fall like that. Well, we're getting there. Saturday morning. Just getting all the gasket material off this piece of crap. This is the starter gear cover. And it's painted. What I found is actually using this and this works pretty good. Like a soap. It's actually painted, but then you can see the high rising gasket material is still on there. These don't come off. I just went with total eradication of anything that was black. And there you have it. I clean it. My little cleaning tank over here. Kerosene and a scrub brush. And dry it and get it into use. And here we see the oil line for the turbo. I used Honda Bond. Wire wheeled around the hole real good, got it real clean. Right down to the metal. And then just put it on there nice and tight. There's an O-ring in there. And I don't know, it worked up till now. And I just gave it maximum room because I don't know where the hell the turbo is, but there's no Y movement. It's just going to be all Z, so that's that. Gasket, the oil pan, and the oil pan. I Loctited all of these screws in here, the harmonic balancer and this one and these two. The rest of them are all just torqued. There's that.